Welcome. If you want to check the identification number of your AirPods, you have to open your charging case and take off the AirPods, the first and the second. Okay, and right now let's check on the left one. So here it is, and here is the Apple A20311, and the second one, the right, also in the same place. So we can find it here, and here is the A2032. So this is how we check it. I hope that'll help you. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe our channel. See you.